I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Geo SIM is provisioned for 5G. Call customer support or check the app. Once done, update your phone OS and carrier settings to avoid compatibility issues because outdated firmware blocks bands. Make sure your device supports the specific Geo 5G bands and that the 5G toggle is available in network settings. If you have an eSIM, install and select it. These first actions get you onto the 5G path immediately. Next, open mobile network settings and choose 5G or 5G/4G/3G auto so the phone negotiates best signal. Then configure APN exactly as Geo requires. Enter the provider name, MCC and MNC values, and appropriate APN type to ensure data flows. Save settings, then restart the phone to force a fresh registration with the tower. Once restarted, watch the status bar for the 5G icon and test with a speed check, because confirmation proves the configuration worked. Finally, validate performance. Run speed and latency tests to confirm you're receiving 5G throughput and compare results to expected Geo rates. If speeds are low, move closer to a window or outdoors where 5G coverage is stronger because signal penetration varies. As a key troubleshooting tip, toggle airplane mode, reinsert the SIM, or switch to another SIM slot. If that fails, note your MA and contact Geo support for provisioning checks. This completes the setup and gives you a single reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.